Hi everyone, this is Surbhi from Digification. Today we'll learn how we can set up our Google Ads conversion tracking to our Shopify store. For this, let's go to Google Ads account. In your Google Ads account, go to Goals. Here first we'll have to create a new conversion action. Click on New Conversion Action. Website. Put your domain and scan. Once you scan, here we'll create a manual conversion using the code. So just scroll down to create conversion action manually using code. Click on Add Conversion Action Manually. Here we want to track purchase. So select the category as purchase because we are doing it for an e-commerce store on Shopify. You can put a name. I'm putting a name purchase. Use different values. Scroll down and click on Done. Agree and continue. The first thing to do here is set up the Google tag. Click on Setup and then we'll set up this event. Click on Setup. Once you click on Setup, you'll get a code. Here you can see this that you can just sign in and install a Google tag through Shopify, or if you want to do it manually, we can do it manually as well. Just click on Copy. We go to our Shopify store. Here I'm telling you how to do it manually. You can alternatively just link Shopify and it will be done. Go to Edit Code. And here you'll find your theme.liquid. And here you can see this is my head tag which is starting right here. Click enter and paste the code. Click on save. Exit. Now this code has to be pasted one more time at a different location. So click on settings. Once you click on settings, let's go to checkout. Scroll down and you'll get this option of additional scripts. Just paste it here as well and click on save. So the first thing to do here is to set up this Google tag, test installation. Now here you can see the tag is correctly detected. Confirm. So our Google tag is done. Now if you see, we need to measure the number of purchases. So here if you go and click on See Event Snippet, this is our event snippet which is to be pasted. Now here, keep it open. Now if you see, the value which is tracking is 1 and the currency is mentioned here. But we want our code to be dynamic. We want the dynamic tracking to be there. So here what I'm going to do is go to Shopify Help Center and you can choose this Shopify Help Center tracking, AdWords tracking conversion. And let's take this code as it is. And we'll just change the value. If you see this send to value, that will change to our event. So I take this code, copy it, go back to my additional scripts, paste it here, and I need to change this value, if you see this, to my original value which is coming from my AdWords account. So if you see this, I'm going to take this send to, I just need this send to value. So once you can just simply copy it, paste it in notes or notepad, wherever. We just need this value. Just paste it wherever and just copy this particular number which is your send to, copy and come back to your Shopify and just change, replace this number and we are good to go. come back to Google Ads. So we have done this, close and done. And then you can troubleshoot it. So this is what we have created. In troubleshooting, you can just go to Tag Assistant and just test it out. Let's just copy paste our website. Now you'll have to test this. If you see this, to test this purchase conversion action, first I'll have to purchase something here and just see that if that is working or not. So that can be done here and your testing would be done.